Hello, Star. We are playing out of our piano adventure, and we are in our Technique and Artistry book, primer level. We are going to play basketball dribble. And so what we're going to do is we're going to play this for the left hand and then for the right hand. We're going to make our mini basketballs with our third and first fingers, our middle and thumb. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to play the first line with our bouncing ball. Then we're going to go to the second line, and then we're going to play with all of our fingers. Same thing is going to happen in the right hand. We're going to get our miniature ball and we're going to play. And then the second line, we're going to play with all of our fingers. Okay, but first, let's do our solfege. Now today we have two new notes. We have F, which is green, and G, which is teal. And our solfege is for F, is our thumbs are down like this. And then when we say G, we turn our thumbs up like this for G. So it's fa, sol. So do, re, mi, fa, sol. Let's go through that first. We're just going to go through it twice because it's the same for both pieces. Okay, so here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, do, re, re, mi, fa, fa, sol, sol, fa, fa, mi, re, re, do. Now let's sing it. Starting here, this is our note, and we're going to go up to sol. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, do, re, re, mi, fa, fa, sol, sol, fa, fa, mi, re, do. Now let's go through it and say and play our letter names. And you can use all 5 fingers. You don't have to do the bouncing ball on this time. Okay, so just 5 fingers. Our pinky is going to be on C. And let's do the right hand at the same time with our thumb on C. Ready? Letter names. 1, 2, ready, go. C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, F, F, E, E, D, D, C. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Now let's play it again and just do the left hand and we'll say our finger numbers. 1, 2, ready, go. 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Let's do it in the right hand, starting on number 1. Ready, go. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay, now this one is just a simple rhythm pattern of beat, 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 watermelon. So we've got 16 beats and 1 watermelon. So let's just do the top line only because it's going to repeat 3 more times and it's pretty easy. So let's do it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Beat, 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 watermelon. And that is all we have to do to learn this piece. Have fun with it. And again, you've got your spots on the page where you can put an X or a check mark to mark off that you have practiced it. And practice it before you play anything else. See you later.